Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 14n0063ss. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 14n0063ss won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise for several reasons, such as a faulty power supply, a malfunctioning battery, or even a corrupted BIOS. If left unattended, this could lead to further complications, potentially making your device unusable. To perform this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery or power supply, depending on what you find during the diagnosis. First, ensure the device is unplugged and lay it flat on a clean surface. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place as they can be quite small. Next, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this may damage the casing. Once you have access to the internal components, locate the battery or power supply. If you see any signs of damage or swelling on the battery, this is likely your culprit. To remove it, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it, noting where each one goes for reassembly. When removing the battery, ensure you are using the correct amount of force to avoid damaging other components nearby. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the faulty component, you can install the new one by reversing the disassembly steps. Make sure all cables are securely connected and double-check that no tools are left inside the device. Once everything is back in place, replace the back cover and tighten all screws firmly but not overly tight, as this could strip the threads. Finally, plug in your device and see if it powers on. If it does, congratulations! Your HP 14n0063ss is back in action. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your laptop is kept in a clean, dry environment. Regularly check for software updates to keep your BIOS functioning correctly, and avoid using third-party chargers that may not be compatible. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.